The product is moved gently while smoothing any variations in flow. These machines are powerful enough to move several tons of product per hour. Ideal for the food industry because they are easy to clean with no moving parts in the product flow. They can be tailored to your product characteristics, throughput and factory layout. KMG equipment is designed for ultra-low power usage, easy to clean and maintain. They are reliably, robustly designed and manufactured for a long lifetime.